Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your user ID on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Discord application on my PC, and if we want to get our user ID, we need to activate developer mode first. You can activate the developer mode on the settings, so you can go to the user setting, and here you need to scroll down until you find the advanced menu. This one guys, and here you'll be able to activate the developer mode. Okay, and then I'm going to close the setting, and after that we're going to click on our profile here. Okay, and then you're going to click on copy user ID, and wait, I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and this is my user ID on Discord. Or you can open up one of your room chat on Discord, and then you can open up your profile, and you can click on these three dots and click on copy user ID, and then you will get your user ID on Discord. Okay guys, so that's all the way to find user ID on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.